Nowadays, all the technologies are getting faster. The speed of your car, the processor in your phone, faster internet. With this innovation, all our life becomes faster. Hello there, I'm Peter Smith from US, and I'm the chief designer of this product. This is the first magnetic USB cable in the world, which can be plugged in your iPhone, just like the MacBook Pro. It lasts over 30,000 times. This technology extends the lifetime 6 times more than the standard iPhone USB cable. You can connect your iPhone quickly in 1 second and charge. You can fully charge your iPhone in 1.5 hours, just like this. Aluminum material makes it stronger and waterproof. The head of the cable can be used on all iPhone and iPad devices. That's the thing that our product designer, Yifan Zhao, has been working on. Our design team is the best team of ZTE VP. If these electronic products can improve using this smart technologies, our life would be more comfortable and smarter. Let's enjoy smart products, smart life.